everyone, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So I used a couple different papers, but I did want to share this one because you'll see one of the cards and tag that I made, and I used this paper right here, which is from this LDRS Creative Farmers Market paper. Gorgeous, really thick paper. I really love it. But anyway, let me show you what else I used. I used my May 2020 Club La La Land Crafts, and this is a fabulous one. I actually cut out a barn. I didn't use it. I actually cut out the truck, and I didn't use it. So I've got like what they look like so you can see, because they're really fabulous. So I kind of kept them, figured I would save them and use them for other projects. So what the barn looks like cut out. There's a paper in here that works really well for this kind of barn look. And then this is like what the truck looks like. Really cute. I just ended up not using these ones, but I think they're amazing dies. And then I'll show you everything that I made. Really like my favorite time of the year. So I did a slimline card. And so again, what I normally do with this is I usually cut out a bunch when I get my kits. I got a little piece of adhesive here is bothering me. I stamp and cut out a bunch, and then at least two of the girls, the Marcy girls, and then I cut out a bunch of the other creatures that usually come with it, and that way I can just put together some things. And so this card is a slimline card, and that background paper is fabulous. So I didn't really need to do a lot with that because it kind of gave me my scene right there. And so the piece that I chopped off of that paper, I did not want to waste. I ended up making a bookmark out of it. I'll show you that a little bit closer. But I paper pieced my Marcy. I used Copics on everything. I did put together a barn. This barn was the only one. I cut out two of them, I believe, and I only used one of them. So I love that. It came out really cute and fun. And so that's the first one. And then the bookmark was super simple. So I had one little bunny left. And then I just used a little sentiment. I used some corner punches and then tied it off with some ribbon. And it's a simple, cute little bookmark. And, paper was like this, and that way I didn't waste any of that cute paper. And then here, I don't know where it is, but I have a background stamp from Hello Bluebird. And so that's what I used for this background right here. And then just kind of experimented with some products that I have. So I cut some masks out, and I used, this kind of product. I used, of course, two different blues for here and here. Colored in with my Copics. I masked off this bottom, and then I used a similar product to this in green for the bottom, and then I used my Copics, and then I colored everything in, and then I put my Marcy and my little bunny there with my little sentiment up here. I like how that came out. That was really fun. And then this paper is from Echo Park. And so this is the back side of this. That way I kind of use all the paper without wasting. It's kind of hard to use this kind of busy paper. So kind of use some pieces of the top and bottom to kind of trick the eye from the busyness. And then the white bunnies kind of helped too. They're not as busy, but it's pretty busy paper. So anyway, that is my projects from my May Club La La Land Crafts May kit. So I still have June and July to work through, and then August will be here. So I do like to use these kits like as soon as I get them to make sure that I'm, get my money's worth with those. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.